It's Halloween, October 31st. That means everybody should bring out their inner child and dress up as their favorite character or whatever they want. This is the one day of the year. It's totally acceptable for you to do so. So you girls want to wear that hot outfit outside? Go right ahead. You want to dress up as a superhero? Go right ahead. You want to dress up as somebody else? Go right ahead. It's totally up to you. So at this point, I hope you guys are having fun. You can even cheat and eat some candy today. So get excited, get ready. It's Halloween, and you know Titan's gonna do it right. It's Saturday night, and we get an extra hour. Forget about it. So stay tuned. We got a lot of great coverage. You guys are gonna.
What are you up to, dude?
You know, I make sure my shit laid right. You know, I always like to condition about 45 minutes for the beard, but the hair 145. I gotta keep it right.
Kick that thing for at least a half an hour. You know, Titan Medical Center had super serum, huh? What's up, guys? Titan out here representing Vampires Ball, sponsored happily by Titan Medical Center. Got the crew out here, super soldiers. I got my skeletons out here. We're representing Halloween night, Saturday night, and we get an extra hour. You guys better watch out because Titan's gonna represent hardcore tonight. So stay tuned for all the behind the scenes and more of the Vampires Ball and Titan Medical Center, guys. Scary costume. Buddy and Nancy are gonna get a $500 party to water and a $500 value of 2 VIP accesses to that art festival. So congratulations! And you guys are definitely scaring some people tonight. Big up to Freddie and Nancy. The sexiest costume goes to Queen of the Underworld! This costume took 3 hours to put out. And then it is original too as well. So big ups to the Queen of the Underworld for the sexiest costume. She's gonna get a $1,000 gift certificate to Castellano, Dr. Castellano. The best group costume. So this one was really good. It came down to a lot of different winners, but the ultimate winner to this was the Witch Doctor. The Witch Doctor! So these guys came out at the best costume contest for the group. Congratulations! They're going to win $500 in cash, $500 party to water, $250 value to Cars and Couture, which Titan Medical Center is also a main sponsor of. So congratulations, Witch Doctors, and enjoy your prizes. Best costume!
No, this guy did a really good job.
So the best costume, this was pretty good. I mean, I know this guy, when he came up to me, I was like, oh, I don't know who you are. And then he had to tell me, like, oh my God, that's a really good costume. So this one is worth $2,000 in cash and prizes. The best costume goes to Avatar!
Yeah!
Who doesn't like Avatar? Come on! You wouldn't know who this guy is, but that's how good the makeup, the prosthetics was. He nailed it. Avatar. So, Avatar's gonna get $1,000 in cash. He's gonna get a $500 party to water Tight Medical Center. If you guys don't know the Tight Medical Center, you guys need to go check it out. TightMedicalCenter.com, guys. So guys, let's finish this night out with a bang. Happy Halloween. And let's get it on. Guys, man, this is the end of the night. It's been one heck of a night. Halloween, Saturday night. We came, we saw, we conquered. We even judged the Halloween costume contest.
Oh yeah.
And we picked the winners.
2 contests.
There's been 2 contests today. 1 hit tonight. What a heck of an event. Setup was awesome. Big shout out to Mike, Corey, all the Pied Piper family out there. Big shout out to Tight Medical Center and the family that showed up tonight, representing super soldiers, good people, great vibes, and just one heck of a time. So we created a lot of great memories tonight. I'm really excited. Halloween's a great time, and I'm glad to be sharing it with these people right next to me.
And we got an extra hour.
So guys, we're happy you guys joined us on this journey, even though it's virtual or through the camera. Get ready, because we got a lot more events coming at you. TightMedicalCenter.com. You guys check that out, and wait for all the new content that we got coming towards you guys. See you later.
See you then.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming to Helloween 17.